Hello students, welcome to my channel Coding Easy. In today's video, I will teach you how to write a Python program that will accept two numbers, storing in two variables and swap the values. Swapping means, say we take two variables A and B, we accept the values. Say for example, in A, let us try this in the interface. Say we take A input as 10 and we take say B input as say 14. So after swapping takes place, and after that you will find A is equal to 14 and B is equal to 10. That means the values of A and B are exchanged. Let us begin with the program. So we will have to write input statements. For that, you take A is equal to, indicate the data type which is int, and after that you have to put the input function over here for input of data. You will have to give a message to the user within the strings, and it will be prompted when the program is executed. So you write the message, say enter a number. So one variable is created for input. Now the second variable, let it be B is equal to again int, the same data type, and the input function for the input of value. So input a string so that we can prompt to the user what exactly we want. So enter the second number. Okay. Now traditionally we take the help of a third variable to swap the variables. But Python provides a special way to swap the values of the variables, and we will see both of them. So first, let us begin with the traditional way. Let the third variable's name is temp. So temp is equal to say A, and A is equal to say B, and B is equal to temp. Okay, so these are the three statements. These three statements will help us to swap the values of A and B. So temp equals to A means what? We are storing the value of A into a variable known as temp. Then we are assigning B's value to A in the second statement by this statement. And in this statement, we are storing A's value, which is temporarily stored into temp. We are assigning that to B. So B gets the value of temp. In other words, B gets the value of A. After that, we have to write the output statement. So let us see. So print here also we'll have to give some message. So we write A is equal to comma A, then comma, within a string B is equal to, and after that put a comma and put the variable B. So this is our print statement. So we copy this print statement and we put it after the input also. That means it will print the value of A and B by this statement after the input of the data has been given by the user. And these are the swapping statements. So after swapping, it will again print the value of A and B respectively with this print statement. So let us execute the program and find out. We go to the menu, we select run from here, from again we come down and select run, click on run, and you can see the file name swap I have given over here. You click on that. So here is the output screen. Enter a number. It is asking for a number. Say we give 19. Again it is asking for the second number. Say it is 47. So after swapping you can see. So before swapping A is 19, B is 47, and after swapping you can see A becomes 47 and B becomes 19. Let us execute this code again and find out what is the output. So we execute this second time. We again give the run command. From here we select swap program name. Now enter the number, say 20. First value is 20, second value is say 57. Enter. So you can see A is equal to 20 and B 57, the input values, but after swapping the values are exchanged and A becomes 57 and B becomes 20. So this is executing it in the traditional way with the help of the third variable over here, which we have taken as temp. Now let us use the Python special method or special way how to swap values. So we write A comma B is equal to B comma A. So you see this will swap the values of A and B. Let us run this program and find out. So we again go to the run menu, come down, the run on this, and then we press the file over here on that. Again asking for a number, so give 61 and say the second number 23, enter. So you see when we entered the value is 61 and 23, but after swapping A is equal to 23 and B is equal to 61. So the values have been exchanged with the help of this statement, and this statement, this kind of statement is only possible in Python programming language. Remember, in other languages like in C, C++ or Java, you will not get this facility. But because Python is a very versatile language, it has given many other opportunities which other languages have not given. This is one of them. So we have known how to execute a program that will swap the values of two variables by applying two methods, one the traditional method and the other one the Python's own statement over here. So that is the end of this video. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching the video.